At Schneider, we help to digitize the world of energy management and industrial automation for sustainability and efficiency. We are present in homes, buildings, industrial infrastructure. The challenges that we are seeking to address with Spryker and AWS was the creation of a product experience management system. The end goal here is to improve the customer experience in all the points of engagement that we have to our customers. We have several touch points with these customers, and we need to ensure that we are providing them the best experience regardless of the point of engagement with us. We selected Spryker because when we were trying to search for a partner, we were looking for the right architecture for our project. The fact that Spryker offers a composable architecture matches perfectly what we are trying to build here. At the end, they gave us the proper foundation so we could build a solution on top of what they are providing. Our goals with this project is basically to streamline the product experience that we are offering to our customers. We have several points of engagement. We have hundreds of websites, hundreds of thousands of SKUs. We need to ensure that regardless of the website, the solution, or any touch point that our customers have with us, they have the best experience, and more important, they have the same experience because we have a technical product. So we need to ensure that the consumer is receiving the proper information in the proper time. The exciting part of working with AWS and Spryker for me was the easy access to the technology. This was the main point. We had a easy access to the technology, and we also had a team to support us, Spryker and with AWS as well. We had the feeling that we built the solution together. So we had someone to debate, to challenge us, and help us to move forward. For me, the most important outcome of using AWS was reliability and scalability. Scalability is a key factor for us because we have hundreds of thousands of products, millions of page views in the website. So we need to ensure that we are able to scale fast. So that was the main point, and it was the perfect choice, I would say.